Tears are words that heart can't access. They cancer wounds of a troubled soul. It's not true that one who doesn't shed a tear is the strongest. Tears live unwittingly when you fail to put food on the table for your family. When a soul departs from heaven, that the world got shatter, but to you breathes a beautiful melody. Your tears, like a crow, shakes from you, dust of snow from a hemlock tree, tapping your deafening shrieks in priceless crystals. In my harsh winter, the wind from the east coast carries the nation mist, this swirls from a glow, along with floats him, torn pieces of a blue sky down the river drift. Crowded protesting with obscure voices deep in hush, high in the video. Rain, glorious pounding soaking rain, humming a song that even the deaf can hear, drowning a world in your trencher downpour. I sit here on the porch and contemplate your fancy dance moves upon window pane, adrenaline rush running through my veins. On the keyboard, playing note 88, washing on the tears as the slowly slip from the eye that mingled in the bowl. Feet compelling to play in the pedals, sending invite to the whole world for a monsoon wedding of rain and kissing leaves, the bride donning necklace of daffodils. Rain stops falling, light mends through the still mystic sky. Hope covers my world. Instead, shade them with a pen. Each tear is a meaning, for each has its own feeling. They all carry their own reason.